This client would like to purchase the GLE 63.
Which
right
one?
now. The white coupe.
White on red?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, the other one's blue on black, so what did you think?
What do you mean?
Well, you said white on red, like you were confirming which one we were talking about.
I just like to make sure that I know my inventory, like I think I do.
Deal number?
So is this guy financing, leasing, cashing?
It is a finance.
Are they coming here? Do they have a trade?
No trade.
No trade. Straight up.
Straight up.
Okay, how many money's down? What term?
Just do.
All right. 72 months. We're shipping it to them. Opener and closed.
Why?
What?
They're 3 hours away. They could come in today.
Is that what they want to do? They're going to drive
I
here?
told them not to.
Okay, well,
But why are we...
don't leave shipping out and then suddenly nobody's paying for it. All right, what's happening here? We shipping it or not?
We're not shipping it.
Okay.
We have this white one, and we have one that's blue.
Everyone's on the record here. Everyone be aware that Jared is saying leave shipping out of the deal. So if this blows up in our faces later, we'll know whose fault that is.
Happened?
Just FYI, there's probably a black one still on our website. I traded it this morning, so it's not available.
Hold on, she wants to see what the blue one looks like. Hold on.
Oh, of course she does. Classic Jared. Putting the cart before the horse.
Cart before the horse. I've done that before.
What are you talking about? She just texted me that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they want to look at the white one. Oh, wait, no, not the blue one.
Read the fine print. Read it.
Let's read it.
Let's read it. Go ahead.
So I'm clearly missing, was this a phone conversation
Yes.
before it got to here?
We talked on the phone. She
Because
said,
they start the conversation by saying you only have it in white.
No, they don't. They start the conversation by giving me the address.
You talking about their business information, but that's not the start of the conversation about the car.
Yes. So when she called in, she asked, what do I have? And GLE coupes. And I said, we have a blue one, we have a white one.
Are they only looking at 63?
Yes.
Okay. They need that big write-off. They need all of it.
I think this is a good opportunity to explain what Section 179 is while we wait.
Wait for what? So the white one that I've got is ready to go, probably irrelevant.
No one's going to like that blue one.
Why would you talk like that? That's a great car. Twilight blue? What's not to like?
With the black. Blue black. It's like a black eye.
Dark blue on black is hot.
It's like, okay.
I wouldn't expect you to know.
Twilight blue is not dark blue.
Right, I digress. Why don't you sell this right now? Because today is the last day for Section 179, which is, if you are a business owner, you buy a vehicle in the business name, you can depreciate it. See your accountant for more details. The week after Christmas is one of my favorite weeks of the year for that reason, because it's like Section 179 week. All these panicked business owners that have been told by their accountants they need to spend between like $100,000 and $200,000 like yesterday.
I just don't get like where it comes from, like at the last minute.
It's because they're looking at what they've spent and depreciated throughout the year, and they realize that they've got more money,
So
more
are
meat
you
on the
writing
bone.
off the depreciation more than you're writing off the part of the car?
Basically, it's a way to offset your profits for the year.
But remember that one guy yesterday who said that I have to have the car in person?
Yeah,
What the hell was that?
I'm not sure.
I think it was a bunch of BS.
He may have been given bad information.
Or something else happened.
Could be.
No.
Right, I've seen some pretty creative ways for people to change their mind at the last second.
Get out
Or
of
to,
the deal.
right?
Oh, my accountant, he offered me $5,000 to drive the car down there. I was like, sir, that's great. I'll happily do it, but how am I going to get home?
Right. Well, with that $5,000, you could buy a plane ticket.
Right, on New Year's Day?
Right.
There's gonna be no plane tickets.
You might have to hang out down there for a bit.
Yeah. I could go visit Toothman Ford.
You could.